Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian egg roll, but with a twist. This time it is baked egg roll, not fried one. Let's get started. In a pot, you want to add in some water, add in your eggs and let this cook for about 15 minutes on medium heat. While it is cooking, let's prepare the dough. In a large mixing bowl, sift in 2 cups of flour. This process is very important. It removes any unwanted item inside your flour and it makes the dough easy to work with. All done, so it's time to add in the other dry ingredients. I started by adding some nutmeg, sugar, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of powdered milk. Don't worry, the full list of ingredients will be in my description box, so do well to check that out. Now give everything a good mix until well combined. Use your hand to make a hole in the middle, add in 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Mix the butter into the flour until you have a breadcrumb consistency. Once that is achieved, you want to add in 1 egg and add water gradually until a dough is formed. The dough is ready. Just set that aside. Let's check on the egg. The eggs are well cooked at this point. You can see from the video. Just take them out, put them in cold water and peel. After peeling your eggs, you want to allow them to cool down completely. Please don't place hot eggs inside your dough. The dough has rested for a while, as you can see from the video. Now I'm going to just roll it into a log shape and cut into 5. You can cut it into 6 depending on how big or how small you want it to be. But just have it at the back of your mind that this recipe gives 5 egg rolls, okay? Take a portion of the dough, flatten it out with your hands and just add 1 egg. Make sure the egg has cooled down completely. Wrap the dough around the egg until you can no longer see the egg and make sure you pinch to seal. You can see from the video. Just pinch it, roll, 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 roll. And guys, your egg roll is ready. Repeat the same process until you've exhausted the dough and it's time to bake. If you have watched up to this point, please do well to like, drop a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is free, please just click on the subscribe button, okay? Back to the purpose of this video, the egg rolls are ready to go into the oven. Grab a tray or a pan lined with parchment paper like this and place in your egg rolls. Make sure there is space in between. Egg wash for that golden effect on your egg roll. And it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. And this is what you should have. Your oven-baked Nigerian egg roll is ready. Will you try this? Let me know in the comment section. A quick tip. If you try this method of making egg roll, you will get hooked. This version of egg roll is healthier, much more delicious and flaky. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!